Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a new AI called Wow that's learning about our physical world in a completely new way, and it's a huge step forward. You've probably seen amazing AI video generators that can create stunningly realistic clips. But they have a hidden problem. Since they only learn by passively watching videos, they don't truly understand physics. They often create videos where things happen that look real but are physically impossible. Researchers are tackling this with their new model, Wow. Their central idea is simple but powerful. To truly understand the world, an AI needs to interact with it just like a child does. So, instead of just watching videos, Wow is trained on 2 million recordings of robots actually performing tasks. This embodied interaction data is full of cause and effect, teaching the AI the real rules of physics. Wow also has a clever self-improvement system. One part of the AI, the solver, imagines a video of how a task should be done. Then another part, the critic, watches that imagined video and judges if it's physically plausible. If the critic spots an error, like an object passing through a solid surface, it gives feedback. The solver then refines its plan and tries again, creating a continuous loop of imagination, reflection, and action. Once Wow has imagined a physically correct plan, another component translates that imagined video into actual commands for a real robot to execute. This closes the loop from just thinking about a task to actually doing it. The results are pretty amazing. Wow can generate plans for a wide variety of robot types, even ones it wasn't specifically trained on. It can also generalize to many different tasks, from simple pushing and pulling to more complex actions like tying knots. But this is where it gets really mind-blowing. You can give Wow hypothetical scenarios, like, what would happen if this jacket were made of stone instead of fabric? The model correctly reasons that the robot would be unable to lift the impossibly heavy object, showing a deep, abstract understanding. It doesn't just copy what it's seen, it reasons about new physical rules. Wow can also act as a virtual testing ground or a cognitive sandbox for other AI agents. An AI planner can propose an action, Wow simulates the outcome, and a critic evaluates if the plan is working. This allows the planner to debug its own logic before trying anything in the real world. So, to recap, Wow is a groundbreaking model that learns physics through direct interaction, not just passive observation. It uses an internal critic to refine its plans, can translate those plans into real robot actions, and can even reason about hypothetical what-if scenarios. This represents a major step towards creating AI that can safely and effectively operate in the real world. By grounding AI in physical reality, we're moving from models that just create pretty pictures to agents that can actually understand and interact with our world. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.